Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wyze Sense app to manage door, motion, and hub alerts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Wyze Sense app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Wyze and tap the search icon. Locate the Wyze app in the search results. Tap on the app to view more details. Once the app page opens, click on the Download or Install button. The app will begin downloading to your device. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, locate the Wyze app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. If you already have a Wyze account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to Wyze, select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup. After signing in, grant necessary permissions for the app. Connect your Wyze Sense devices by following the in-app instructions. Manage your door, motion, and hub alerts through the app interface. Customize your notification settings to suit your preferences. You're now ready to effectively manage your Wyze Sense devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.